Good morning. We went to this bakery to get some treats before the start of the tour. I got like beignets, and then you got, what is it? Is it ham and cheese? Oh, it's something else.
Oh, I think so. It's like a sauce. Like a salsa sauce.
Over there. That's the bakery. Can I try?
Pretty good.
Where'd you get seafood? I think it's fish. With, I'm kind of familiar with it. We kind of had that, like, century tuna.
Yeah. Yeah.
On the tomato sauce. It's pretty good. Here. Oh, this is our shoe. See, it's very airy, but nothing inside. Wanna try it?
During the walking tour, our guide showed us landmarks with superstitions that is connected to the past of the city of Girona. Here are some of them. This is the lioness of Girona. The belief is that when you kiss the lioness' ass, it ensures you would return to Girona. The story of Saint Narcissus' footprint statue is really smart. To honor him, you should touch the footprint and that will bring good luck. The fly statue is believed to be responsible for saving Girona from the French army in 1286. The belief is that when you tap the fly, you can ask for a miracle. The old town of Girona got popularized because it is one of many filming locations of Game of Thrones. Girona is only an hour train ride from Barcelona. It is a perfect day trip to explore some of the iconic Game of Thrones filming sites.
These stones are from the Roman century. Very old stones.
Just to the side here, you'll notice one of the ancient doorways from what would have been one of the Jewish family homes. You can see the arch there with the ancient lintel across the top there.
Yeah.
So this house dates to the 15th century.
So this is a Jewish property before. Yeah. Church of San Felix or Saint Felix.
At that time, it was estimated that it would take.
This is the Eiffel Bridge.
Always considered a
Hi.
very attractive view. Back in the 1900s,
Made by Gustav Eiffel 10 years before he built the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Looking a little way along the river to the only white house you can see in the centre there. With the... Shall we go in?
Yeah. Yeah. So we're in the Independence Square. This is the fighters of Girona during the war. We are at La Tapeta. It's a tapas restaurant and we got the romantic package. This is patatas de pulpo. It's like octopus with potato, manchego cheese, bread with tomato. It's like tomato puree on top, something like that, and then ham, and then vermouth, because that's what they love drinking here. So cheers. It's really sweet. It's good. Okay, we're leaving Girona now, but I'm just gonna show you our Airbnb because it's really cute and nice. So here's the entrance. Then you go down a little bit of steps, and then so this is the main living room slash kitchen slash dining room. And then we have fridge and freezer, oven, microwave, stovetop, and also dishwasher. So that's the kitchen, really small, and you can also close it if you want to. Oh, sorry. See that? And then here's the dining room. Kind of use it yesterday. Then there's a coffee machine with some coffee pods, and also they have tea. And then the dining room. Oh, sorry. The living room with really comfy couch plus a TV that you can access basically everything. It's like Disney, YouTube, whatever that I have. And then here is the bedroom. Don't mind the mess, we're leaving already, so that's there. And then the washroom, which has a bidet, shower, toilet, and a mirror. So yeah, this is like very European thing, and I don't like it. They put half of a window, and then the other half is like uncovered. So whenever you shower, it just splashes everywhere. But it's whatever. I'm not done cleaning it, so yeah. But we tried to not splash as much water as we can possibly could. But yeah, it's pretty dry in here actually. And yeah, they put also like a little touches like napkins and hair dryer. Oh, there's also a washer here, which is really nice. Is it a washer? A dryer? I don't know. Maybe it's combo. I don't know. But they do have that. And then here, they also have another mirror. So that's that. And then a window here. It's big windows. Same in the living room. So, and it is located right on the old town, which is really nice, and there is an elevator. It is located in the first floor of the building. If you're in European countries, but it's second floor in other countries. And then, yeah. Alright. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, which is Barcelona. So, yeah. Bye.